Wii World, start. Dee 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 woohoo! Dee 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 dee. Oh look, a gold coin block! I'm gonna be so rich. Before I'm rich, I have to get it down first. Whoa! Oh, I can't wait to open this and be rich. Oh, wait! This is not coins. This is candy.
Sorry, Mario, but ever since the inflation in the new Super Mario game, we had to make a few cutbacks.
They can't do cutbacks. This is candy. Candy.
Well, see, the princess, after we got all a bunch of coins and stuff, since there were so many coins, she decided since they weren't worth anything, we put candy inside of them, so everybody has food.
But with coins, you can buy tons of food.
Well, there's so many coins that the inflation rate means that they don't even worth anything anymore. I mean, only you and the humans really use coins. All of our houses are paid off in the kingdom by the princess, so all we really need is food. So we just put it in all the power-ups instead.
You're telling me when I get to the superstar it's just a sugar high?
Yeah, that's about it.
Then me going for all these worlds to say the princess is worthless. I don't even get anything out of it. This is bullshit. Ugh.